So what's up guys? So good morning, kagising lang natin. So today, mag-gym pa rin tayo but kunin muna natin yung laundry ko, which is dun lang. Te, ako ipa-laundry niya, te. Thank you. So yun na nga, nakuha na natin yung pinalaundry natin. Ito siya. So maligo muna tayo bago mag-gym. Tara! And we're home and let's make ligo. And we're done maligo guys. So after nito, let's go to the gym na. Okay? Let's go! Just a story time guys. Alam nyo ba na hindi sana ako mag-gym ngayon kasi sasama sana ako sa parents ko maghanap ng solar. Kasi dati nung nagka-audit dati sa Cebu last 2021, parang it's too late na-realize namin na kailangan ng generator kasi nga wala yung walang kuryente sa buong Cebu nun, tapos internet, tubig, so kailangan sana namin generator nun. So, nung nag-inquire na kami, wala nang available. So, ayun nga, ngayon, habang mas maaga pa naghanap ng solar panel, just in case magkaroon ng rotational blackout or brownout, may kuryente kami. Kapag work ng as a VA, kailangan may kuryente at saka internet. Paano pag walang kuryente? Di walang internet, di walang work, walang pera. So, mabuti at ngayon, naisipan lang maghanap muna. And then, I decided not to go na lang kasi kailangan ko mag-gym. So, yun lang. Malapit na tayo sa AF. Bro, ano ka bro? Amping? Amping.
Ini harta ka rin?
Alas 2?
May tira.
Hindi, gabi, mugod ko. Mata ko alas 2. Di sila mo dari.
Oo.
Kaya koy, amping. Ito talaga yung kalbaryo. Pag leg day, tapos hindi gumagana yung escalator. Lakad talaga malala kahit nanginginig yung paa. Shit. Sorry. Yo guys, since tapos na tayo mag-gym, and then tayo natin tawagan yung kapatid ko if nasa SM pa sila. So, yun nga guys, nasa SM pa sila. So, susunod tayo. Let's go! Magbubukla ako ng Mubit going to SM Seaside para sundan yung family ko. May nag-accept na sa booking natin going to SM Seaside. At nandito na pala talaga si Kuya. There! So guys, nandito na tayo sa SM Seaside. Hanapin natin yung parents ko. Let's go! Hey Kuya. Dito nga pala talaga sila sa Seafood Island. Hoy, Dustin boy! Kami. Sa babay ko. Biseta. Let's go. Go there. Hi, Sophie! Sabi.
Hi.
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 Wave your hands. Hi. Hi. Alright, go. Wait lang. So guys, we will go to Starbucks because we will buy some coffee because I don't want to eat right there. Kasi nga, I'm on caloric deficit. Oh, caloric deficit. Yes, I'm on caloric deficit. So kasama ko si Justin. Say hi.
Hi.
We're here in Starbucks. Let's go. They don't have Harry Potter. Pwede lang yung tao. So, mas madali tayo maka-order. Hello. Kikaano na lang, Americano. 20 na lang. Kasi anytime uuwi rin kami. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. Wait. Come here. So, naka-order na kami and we will just wait for the drink. I think we will just wait outside. Okay, let's go. Just wait right there.
Hi guys, Dino is a single drinks. Look, this is the Ace and Tower, but it's just still, and that is the bridge right there going into the Ace and Tower. You got it? Okay. Did you? Dino's doing data drinks. Did you tell? And Dino's here. Okay, Dino's here. And
So, tapos na kumain yung parents ko and yung kapatid ko and yung kasama nila. And tapos na ako mag-Starbucks, naka-order na. And then, we need to go home na kasi mag-duty na. And see you the next vlog. Bye-bye!